Thrones fans, it's me, Anna.
Jasmine.
Zach.
Renee.
And today we're watching Game of Thrones Season 3, Episode 9.
Yeah.
It's really exciting.
Okay, so what all happened in the previous episode?
Oh crap, it's been like 30 minutes.
Sansa and Tyrion got married.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the guy cut the dude's heads off.
Pledged his loyalty to Dany.
Yeah, and he got to see Dany naked.
Arya and the Hound are headed toward the twins.
Yeah. And
Sam killed the White Walker.
that was cool. Sam's a man now.
Joffrey threatened to rape Sansa. And then Tyrion was like, I will make your pee-pee a wooden pee-pee.
That was hilarious. Yeah, and then Tyrion was like being a gentleman.
Yeah.
Tyrion's cool.
He was like, how old are you guys?
They got
She
married
was
that
like,
episode though.
I am a minor. And then he was like,
And so my watch begins. Passes out.
Joffrey is unnecessarily rude.
so was Cersei. Cersei would be
Yeah.
a cunt.
Yeah.
And it's like, it's not even like, what's his face is even going to be attracted to her. He's going to see her and he's going to be like,
Yeah, he's just gonna be like, okay, bye.
pee-pee descendus.
Okay, I think that's pretty...
Yeah, that's basically the episode.
All right.
Okay.
We're on episode 9.
Yep.
This one's going to be a really good one. I bet you Tyrion's going to die.
Someone big is
That's
gonna
the
like
first
die.
scene. The first scene we're going to see is just Tyrion dead.
What makes you think
No.
that?
Sansa will be a widow.
Or Joffrey's going to rape Tyrion.
Why?
I just...
Would you even put that image in my head?
Oh, we're finally to the twins.
Wow.
Well, that means either Rob's camp is there or Arya's there.
Or they're both.
Oh, he is there.
Do you have enough men?
If all the Frey cooperates.
If all the Frey cooperates. Show them how it feels to lose what they love.
Jonathan.
Wait, so what are we doing?
Go to
After-
Castle Rock. Castle Rock.
After the wedding, they're gonna go to Castle Rock.
I extend to you my hospitality and protection in the light of the Seven.
We thank you for your hospitality, my lord.
One of them was supposed to be queen. Now none of them are.
My ladies, all men should keep their word, kings most of all.
Very good. There she is. Come closer. Let me have a look at you. That's what the Starks of Winterfell call, isn't it? Very honourable. I call it a pretty face. Very pretty. If you wanted to hide her, you shouldn't have brought her here in the first place. Your king says he betrayed me for love. I say he betrayed me for firm tits and a tight fit. And I can respect that. Well, let's get ready. The wine will flow red, and the music will play loud, and we'll put this mess behind us.
You don't trust him.
There. It's a back gate. This is where we enter the city. Very few guards, they know me. They let me in. Then comes the army. Once the walls are breached, the city will fall in hours.
Or perhaps you lead Grey Worm and me to the slaughter, cutting the head off our army.
You have a very suspicious mind. In my experience, only dishonest people think this way.
Well, Squadras, Trezikiu.
You leave tonight.
Very good. We'll prepare.
He is trying to smash Dany. And I am not okay with this.
You're the Queen's guards, Severus.
Why?
The only man that can smash my Dany
We are truly
is Drogo.
How do you know all that?
I read about it in a very old book.
You know all that from staring at marks on paper.
your father, and I'll do the talking.
Many thanks.
Don't kill him.
Dead rats don't squeak.
He's so dangerous, aren't you? Saying scary things to little girls. Please don't.
Just to make him into a nice guy.
You're
Oh.
very kind. Someday it'll get you killed.
Wha-
She didn't kill him, she just knocked him out.
Why?
He's not gonna be able to remember any of that.
Well, like, why did he knock him out?
Can you take his thing I'm assuming?
Oh.
The old man said there's any strong to cut him and shoot her blood from him. That's what old man said.
There's a storm coming.
What's one old man doing with 8 horses?
He breathed them for a watch.
How's he close to see him?
The watch protects him.
Killing crows in a castle is tough. Killing them out there in the open, that's what we do.
We should kill that guy for no reason?
Yeah.
He's just an old man. John might save him from
Yep, he did. He warned him.
He's just an old man. Oh, there it is. Rob's there.
That's the point of taking her there. Sell her.
How do you feel when I saw it in you? You're afraid of fire. When Barrett's told about the flames, you look like a scared little girl.
Ooh.
And I know why too.
Go ahead then. Might get away. Closest you've been to Paris since Dylan Kane snipped your daddy's neck.
Someday, I'm gonna put a sword through your eye and I'll buckle your skull.
Probably not actually. But that place that the wildlings pass by.
I'm going to get past the wall. My uncle says 700 feet high.
There's one.
Oh, wildlings. We got him.
I thought it was hunting.
Or is dead. What is he doing?
He just controlled the corridor. And he can feel it.
He just controlled Holdor.
Yeah.
That's crazy. He's like, what?
Nothing.
That is counting on that. You know the difference between counting and a donut.
Maybe two. You understand.
Wait, their wolves are there.
Here's the crow minute.
Oh no, he's gonna see John do it.
He knows he
He can't. He
He's
can't.
not gonna be able to. He couldn't kill her even.
Still one of them.
Don't do it, John.
He's gonna wait until the guy, till Bran. He can't do it.
He's a crow. He'll always be a crow. And he's a crow like God is.
that Crow guy that does it.
Yeah, he's a ward too. He's leaving his wife.
And Gary. Oh, he's like, I don't care what you anymore.
Really.
He just used it for
Okay,
stage.
John is.
I don't care. John's still cool. He's a Crow still. He's a man of the night's watch. He took the oath.
He left his wife, who literally shot the guy so he wouldn't die.
When did they get married?
They didn't get married.
They didn't.
They vowed each other.
Boyfriend.
They vowed each
They were
other.
just kind of like, they were seeing each other. Dang.
It is him.
Maybe others. I doubt it. English prefer to let their slaves do the fighting for them.
He's like, I doubt it. Wait.
Look at that Unsullied guy go. Look at him go. Look at that Unsullied guy. Grey Warrior? He's like,
If he dies, I'm gonna cry.
Nasty. So what else? He'll be fighting while freeing.
Yo, he's like dancing too.
Basically. Looks like it.
Jorah's still got it. Oh, Jorah's got a new bite.
Oh,
None of them were phased. There we go.
no. Why did the rest of the army not march in?
They were going to march in through the front gates.
But they have to kill all those people first.